Eh? Iwine kokobiri amaene. Is here. I think it's here. Did you hear is so going to that side? Huh? Wagai video na wagai. You know, say sometimes if I say these people know they shame, they will say, lovely, why you they pretend? It goes on time, no not they shame. Evening, my love. How you day? Yesterday I use laugh to finish you. Usas. Happy Sunday. Yeah? Winnie Kokobiri no come out for grant. Some people, whatever Rita, no be only you want marry Kokobiri. Anytime when they talk about Kokobiri, do you say you know yeah? Now only you want marry Kokobiri. Some of them they born for Kokobiri. And because of those are not carried their own on Facebook. If this one talk, in Winnie Kokobiri, or now talk, in Winnie Kokobiri, you know what I not like for my life. Eh? I hate waiting and not like. This Kokobiri today, whether they say Kokobiri, people use and take hustle. In a ya hustle. Then you want to do runs. Now there you go see some women. In a maye Kokobiri yawe runs. They don't use Kokobiri to do runs. They never friend Kokobiri. Sisini amodaya rebwe bo. All those one where they explain. Kokobiri do this one. Kokobiri no do this one. And so where ya kaye Kokobiri wina. And wage where mugwa. What did they not they share? In a review wavio ya. I went evinaya shame. Now vio no wavio ya wayari rock bokba. Ekenu wavio iwayari lajan. This is why people don't want to do things with you people. Because unamati they leak. You people mouth is ogba. Oh yeah, what to a why they forget? Rita. Not be Rita be the first person who don't marry Kokobiri. I see Mama you Tete, you do video. After you analyze the video finish, Rita carry the video, you go analyze them. Yeah? Rita, what shall I make Kokobiri re? Ah? Kokobiri, people born for Kokobiri no marry them. Yeah? You carry Kokobiri go Nigeria, you go marry, and you don't marry, and finish. All those now when person go do video finish, you will carry and come they analyze them. How? Waiting can't be that one. Mama, you Tete, that one they Facebook, they analyze video. That one don't they analyze. Whether she they analyze the video for your favor, mama, no. Me have a well lovely siaga. Imagine take one even ya siaga. Because I analyze now they. This analyze on they analyze. What say I may. Now lovely they analyze. I procure the Godfather Feko. He carried the analyzer for my hand. I procure keep my page. Now I procure keep my page. If I do video that time, here a lovely video, a lovely video, I am video no me. Yeah, I will live video for me delete. I will call delete so if I can't day live, all of them go they live scream me say eh. Mona quick when I don't say lovely they delete video. I don't pursue these people from my platform. They're not here. I think as when I don't kaput my platform now. If I get view, they go see that. If I go look where they see my view put my people, they go tell me say view 1000K watch my view. If I go check out, okay, make I carry the view come Facebook. The view not the green enter. Yeah. Mama work come Facebook no email Naija wash you not back. I say Naija wash you can key this page, but you cannot key the soul. Now tell Naija wash so this page you can key the page, but you cannot key the soul. Eh? More how they analyze again. Eh? No, God, you know what? No, for Rita, yeah. I didn't just mention her name. I don't want anybody to insult her. Why I'm doing this video, I'm not doing this video for only her. I'm doing this video for some of people out there. You know, there are some people out there that is making me to do this video. You know, this is a woman that take that Zimbabwe man, she take it to Nigeria in Edo State, Benin. She got married to this man. The time I was doing video then, I say, my sister, I should marry this man. Can I enter his house? Then they come to say, lovely, you the Christ, lovely, you the man. See now, today now. If they mess, Kokobiri. If they sleep, they don't sleep well, Kokobiri. If they put food for fire, the food, is bon, Kokobiri. If they don't see Maggie put for this thing, Rita marry Kokobiri. You don't see, me ebe da sunu, make him all info. Me say they are said there. Edi dore a Jerry Facebook. We me hon we zesande so me zesan nyewe na. Di me zedo. Ne gbova ne speak no speak bini. It be like say people when they speak bini that they give the gift. Me zesan nyewe na. E dore Mario no pe anu da mu shi e wo no seva. Da do Mario no pe. Ki mo no pe vibe re congratulate you o. Aki congratulate you fo. Ro no pe. U da re Facebook. Amada yo vio ono pe na wo see Facebook re around that Facebook you follow us in this or that lovely you the Christ lovely you the man lovely now to say I know waiting they talk because those people that is say oh the man is handsome the man is beautiful the man is tall the man is do this one if you see these people they pray something for you you will know that these people, they are going to carry this one to you. But when I say the truth, they will not understand. At the end of the day, the person will come understand, say, hey! I will say, I know, lovely, talk this one. Everything that I say on this social media, all of them, they come to pass. Because I am a seer of fish and land. But what are you? May you fake. You roll marriage, you roll vi that day Facebook that you they celebrate that one fo you don't look na wa that more do toi and that now it's very handsome man the man tall the man do this the man go do this one the man go do this one. So when they talk say, cassava go big well, they go yama Rita. Rita, cassava go big well. Rita say, you know, I'm making yama polo almost big well. And I go say, oh, this woman. You know, say these people will help you contemplate this man. Now they go help you carry this man up. They go scatter around. But me when they tell you that time, it can't be like saying, "Na me be your enemy." A little thing now. Kokobiri. All those one will be said they don't even fuck Kokobiri fuck. They fuck Kokobiri nyaha. Iya tell Kokobiri nya. Oh ye nya. Enya ma ewe de. Only have ye Kokobiri ya werons. Iya le ya gwan. Analyze. Analyze. Oh, yeah, won they Kokobiri no. They Kokobiri no. Down condemn husband or he married. Only they shall serious. That one is okay. I don't know what is going on this those Sabbath space. You people, you are so disgraceful. You are not disgraceful myself. In Miami, I never see people like this. Nah. This one will come. Some people like this, now they call her Kokobiri. Some people like this, now they call her Kokobiri. All of them, they say, we need Kokobiri. Make up on Facebook. Remember when they Kokobiri. The person, the founder of Kokobiri, we know him. Now be on Kwefei. Who ya don't talk show. Now be the founder of Kokobiri. And the man like Facebook again. Wamaeshi Lore. The people when they spoil Facebook, we come to fight to stop them. And Mama Elena, the one when they come now they go worse pass. We want to make me Nyawaji. I got a maybe that's about to donate kina da mile. You know? Then when they do like video die, nobody never come and contact say, now you bring Kokobiri, now you talk about Kokobiri. Every no one cow, why I say Facebook, why waka tie? Why waka tie? Hook up wagani, maybe a dosi, maswe a hook up, a dosi, your coming to a hook up. After me the dose, who made the dose come to run and they laugh for them. Later, now me the dose come to say, mama, this one when you just the funny, so you see they go your pay, so that you still go the do one for them. Now me with me the dose, 2 of us, now he make this hook up, he enter viral, on like viral with this social media. The time when they come the enter, he on way am way hook up puri. And you know what carry on one mure, he can't think where he am monari, nanya, amami wamyo. That 2 women when be say they don't quarrel. No concept today. Now then bring makeup. We know they bring makeup. You see, huh? Inside there, I can't bring say cassava, the sweet oh. You want go peace? They lend you. Now we bring them later. They see carry for our hand. Then if Uncle Faye now carry Kokobiri come. Any live video presenter when you go sit down say now he can't talk pass. Say now he carry Kokobiri come. You lie. Oh what I took just in the air batata. Everybody know where before Uncle Faye talk about Kokobiri. In one of my live video. Kokobiri before Uncle Faye started to talk. Even Rita never even go marry this Zimbabwe man. Kokobiri don't tell when it exist. Rita ware nya Rita na ware o we. Ola woro we ola ri mi na bi wa cho paka. Ola re na bi Facebook. Kokobiri na ri Facebook reve na kata. Rita na yo we na ya pake. Na Rita de come call Kokobiri. Kokobiri don already dey Facebook. Before Rita carry Zimbabwe man go Benin go Maria. Wa mwe this thing like Facebook, Kokobiri. Now, Uncle Faye carry Kokobiri enter Facebook. Uncle Faye we live video ni. Now, everybody they run pa down. Now, no do saga rich like Uncle Faye. If now they do saga today, I come they laugh and say, Uncle Faye when you they do saga that everybody go they run big. Now that time, I Kokobiri enter Facebook. Now, Kokobiri carry don't touch show like I Kokobiri matter enter Facebook. Now when you come just they talk today, say una be innocent of Kokobiri prick. All of una fair run Kokobiri for France. Because if they find the country where Kokobiri dey, na France. And all the na there na it dey. I mean Senegal, I mean all those things, all those Zimbabwe people. Na France na they dey. If they find black, na France now they see black. You know, before you see black, that time for IT, Senegal man no go talk, you no go spin you because himself go dey even dey fear. Yes, for IT. Even though they see you for market, oh, they see you for shop, oh, lie. Even though they see you for train station, fear no even let them look your eye self. Why re? Now I carry on myself, when I can't carry on, I can't disgrace on myself. When I go say Nigeria man not being a gay. When I want to go to a friend Kokobiri. At the end of the day now, all of them are friend Kokobiri now. They don't ask na where on sleep. Now I see they use on a mark when they tell us say na here on sleep. Man, I call they disgrace on ourself. But you know where? Where will be now? Good evening. I'm your jare oi Kokobiri. Now France people women when they France as I tell they talk now. Now they me I know say our guest fair friend Senegal. Fair friend this one. Fair friend that one. That's why I can't tell you where Senegal they give them money. Where how much Senegal one you come also Senegal come also. So I go say and this one they give money, that one they give money. Today now I don't come understand. I see video when Mama what do they call her? Yeah, I don't forget the woman name. That one stay today. I see the video. Mama Oruyu Tete. They analyze Kokobiri, who be Kokobiri, who not be Kokobiri. Kokobiri, they dictionary. It say which language Kokobiri the dictionary. To talk how Kokobiri generate. This one na Kokobiri. If you go marry for Igbo land, Igbo man na Kokobiri. If you go marry for Isha, Isha na Kokobiri. If you go marry, if Isha woman go marry Binima, the Binima na Kokobiri. Now they do nyaka. Now they talk irrelevant talk. All they say, why me no never tell? Why they never tell? Since you know see who they talk to now. Mona sit down, see talk to myself. Okpoka na yo ni okpoka na wa ba mi ni akere ge nya dada bo na wa ba mi no de. Okay, they ni okere hosoto. Okay, ne wonu dekere. On a go to fight. Hey, Kokobiri. There is no way when I go arrange Kokobiri. Una go pay time. It na black. I don't go compare that. We know when we say Kokobiri that time. When people they say Kokobiri, me I not understand. As una they talk now, I can see here say una they say Kokobiri. When we they see Rita, you they see these people that time. Why these people? They were very dirty. To be honest, they are very dirty. Some lies, they are so carry lies. We know them. You know? Yes. Now this 21st century, where some of una can carry most of them. Now una can teach them how they take the bath. Why you gwe Bonnie va yoga na that na make it don't never have fun no. When there's some people ni alele Kokobiri nu wa hana. Walele Kokobiri. Eso gbiwen. E jacket ne so kian mujo o ga to egbu. Oni a cho edike ato egbu. Wa te wan ta. Wa don't te wan ta. Wa ya mu keko den ne wa bibi Facebook. Do you know what I don't like in my life? I hate an hypocrite things. When you come as hypocrites, I don't like it. All of them when they say, Rita, Mare Kokobiri, Rita, Mare Kokobiri, Rita, do this, yo. Me I can't explain Kokobiri. Yare, yaka we Kokobiri neve France. France anamye Kokobiri na. When you are looking for the country where black they die here, all those no be Nigeria, where I see Italy again. Now you go see them, back. But we are say France. Now then they say something for streets. What did they say that time? That they say CD plate. You know you CD plate. Carabinieri with police. If you reach Central that time, you see where they sell CD plate. If police they come, they don't carry their bag, pack everything, come out. Then which one I call the iron at the tell? The newcomer when they come. The newcomer one at the tell. Now they self even start of the evil day do all those people want they mention their name. Most old school no carry. The old school where he carried that time, I don't understand. The old school where he carried that time, some go say they give them money. The time when they talk say, so me, so lily this Kokobiri one they talk so. Most of those Kokobiri that time they sell market. Most of those Senegal that time they sell market. If you see Nigeria person with a friend at that time, you know say if they give money out of where 10 Nigeria women sit down put, not only 2 they friend there. The remaining 48 they just there. They only friend there. Then which one I can't they talk? Today when I talk go here, tomorrow I talk go here. The real people when we say they friend all those Kokobiri. All those Kokobiri they sell market that time. Some of them even they help them they keep market. It's all going Igbo now they say Igbo now they sell market. It's all going away. And just Kokobiri that time when some of our guests, how many guys friend at that time? If you see any guy when they friend Kokobiri that time, you know say that guy they collect money, that they give them money that time. Just those Kokobiri that they give. They not just friend Kokobiri say because say na prick, they are prick, now you can't low pass. Say now they are prick, if they come put on for yourself, na because so go they hit na for a merry. No. They get something from them. And when like with perfume. Perfume. They go carry and come out. Some of them that time say they follow them, they buy things. Yes. Some of them that time they follow them, they buy things. Go say buy this. They go bring shoe. They enter market, they go bring all those things, perfume, all those things. If you see them, you say, sister, I have something. Do you want to buy? Clothes or things so. You know? Now be this one when I go they talk now. I don't know why they talk about Kokobiri. Eh? And Rita, this message when I see say come for you. Anytime when they analyze Kokobiri issue, why did you take it personal? Can't you forget this issue? Are you serious? No be only you want don't marry Kokobiri. It's like, oh, one way, no. If I don't forget her, since Areata, even if that they write down for your comment section, you go they delete and no. Eh? I'm barely never tell you. Not even share self. Sometimes if not they talk. I say well like that. My wife Kokobiri, my wife no Kokobiri. Now Uncle Efei, we are don't touch on. I bring Kokobiri matter for Facebook. No, I don't call the talk say no pass. Well, I don't know anything. It's a pity that some delinquent in Yamalai class now then come the traits. Here you don't have advice traits. You need Yamalai we rock back. Kokobiri, don't take Kokobiri. Do I say na? I like prick when long. When one muneka no long, he said they can wear nanya. Nothing. Eh? E be that bag ya can say yes. Mama only to take the live video. That one they analyze Kokobiri. It be like saying she don't fair live for the kingdom of Kokobiri. Why analyzing Kokobiri? Do you know? Can you analyze that Kokobiri? Did you know what Kokobiri mean? You calling this one a Kokobiri, that one a Kokobiri. Did you really know what Kokobiri mean? Eh? If fish and woman marry Binima, na Kokobiri marry. Eh? If Bini woman marry Igbo man, na Kokobiri marry. You they analyze her in a way be say you want a favor Rita. Now you they analyze her. Are you just doing that to favor Rita? Now you they analyze her. I don't know. This is an issue when we say, you know, Ram, when we continue today, bring to table all the time. No be only she don't marry Zimbabwe. A lot of people don't marry different this thing. Why be say some people don't read, sometimes I will say they can friend them, but they cannot marry them. Even if say these people, they go to school, say they be director for company. In some of them talk to Nigeria woman, they not still they agree. Just say like some Nigeria women, they love their tribe. Yes, they love their tribe. You see, an Igbo woman now, if Kokobiri spinner, you go say no. But if Igbo man spinner, even if say the Igbo man don't get anything, you go follow. Even some Benin women, if Kokobiri spinner, you go say no. But if you say Benin man will not get money, you go follow. We are not doing this because of Africa, another Africa country. Now I make una they do those things. You see Isha woman now, you see Kokobiri, you see Isha man, you don't get money. You go say no, I don't get what time they use Kokobiri do. If you like make girls stay. Now where they know, now therefore they disappear. So that if you want to appear, you go know where to land. All the time, Kokobiri. Good evening, my personal person. How you doing? Huh? All the time, Kokobiri. I will analyze Kokobiri where wamu. I will analyze Kokobiri Rita wamu. You should stop this. It's not good. Okay, the way you are doing it now, you are letting people know that they are touching the place where you don't want them to touch. It's like it pains you. It's like you feel bad. How can you be feeling bad when you marry a human being? The guy is a human being. The time I was telling you, say, carry this man enter house. The man never knew that they can in a seke area. If not, the man could have said that, oh, that fair lady, she was saying the truth. Maybe she go able to talk and you say, you see that fair lady that was against you the other time? She was saying the truth. Now, so he go tell you, oh, yeah, she was saying the truth. I never knew that it's going to be like this in future. If not, when I take you to Africa and marry you, when I come back to Germany, I could have just out of Facebook. Maybe you want to do video. I don't know. I work Kokobiri, you the analyzer. No matter how they go paint and rich, it going be, there is no way you go paint it going be rich. It's still it going be, if you like, grand it going be, oh, fitaran. It going be say, you know. It going be say, you know. If this one talk about Kokobiri, you go grab her. If this one talk about Kokobiri, you go grab her. It's like you, I don't know. It's like what you are doing is irrelevant. Or more relevant. A mature woman, you call yourself a matured woman. You call yourself that I'm a matured woman. You marry, you don't marry. Now, man, you marry, you don't marry animal. There is some things sometimes I don't like to see it. But when I hit it, because I don't pretend, then I will say the way people will understand. And the people that will not understand, they are haters. And the people that will not understand sometimes, maybe those people, they are giving Rita fake love. But the person that is telling Rita the truth, they feel that that person hate Rita. Now they love Rita past. No, you don't love somebody to make that person to be stupid in a society. Now I love them. Which kind of nonsense love now they love? I hate, nobody should love me. I hate hypocrite love. When you're love one, you love somebody, when the person is doing something that is affecting that person, you guys don't say, oh, this is enough. Forget about this. Forget about Kokobiri. Kokobiri is a human being. It's a human being. The time you brought this man to social media, I told you, take this man out of social media. How can you take this man? You take this man to Africa to marry you. The next thing you do, you bring him on social media. When I was telling you, people think that I hate you. I never hate you. When you want to speak truth to people, and those people, they think that they are the ones that love you because they are delinquent. Well, thank you, my love. Because they are delinquent. You are welcome. When you live with delinquent people, it will take you years for you to know where you are. How can somebody that is lenient, you are with delinquent, they will confuse your brain. They are going to demolish your brain. They will break your system down. Those are the people we have there on social media. Those people that we call them and say, I didn't go to school, my year school. Are you guys serious? The time I was going to school, 16 naira, I had to they pay school fees. Even so that even the 16 naira, if I reach, I'll say I lost the money. They go still give me. You know? Not be 16 naira when they give us that time. If you with your friend, we use and take chop. I bet, so why you only go you are? 99 na parents no fee pay. But you people, you come on social media. They come they ranty. Now they won't even finish secondary school. Well, they taught a person when he finish secondary school. Eh? When they taught a person when he finish level 1, level 2, level 3, now it be primary school to secondary school, now level 3, now he reach. Then you people, you come, you want to advise people on which level. You don't have secondary school education life. Then who are you going to talk to? You don't know that going to school with God's wisdom, when you take it together, it's going to help you in future. Some people will say, school no matter, school no matter. Who told you? Look at some people, they are rich, but they didn't go to school that time. But most of them now, they go to adult school. They're okay now. They can read. There's a lot of them in this social media. When they come on this social media, they cannot read. But most of them say, I've been not know how to read before. This social media helped me. This social media help a lot of people. There is a lot of people that even forget things. This Facebook is a school. This Facebook now school. Then this Facebook, it wake up their brain again. You know, when you don't practice with something, it's something, time to time, you don't do it. One day it will just leave you. This to be intelligent or to use what you have in your brain. When you don't practice it every day, Now you see, so you both they practice something every day by day. You will see that they'll say, okay, can't go school again. They just want your brain made at alert. All the time, you are on social media there, everywhere, marry. I'm telling you, Rita, no be only you be the first person when you don't born for Kokobiri. When you are doing it sometimes, you know, I said, what are you doing? What is this? What is this? You forget about this man. It's like you went to go and brought this man. I don't know where you brought this man from. You went to go and brought this man in Zimbabwe. All you could do, you throw it in your community. It's a pity. Not be only you want. Some people marry. Even people where they watch you say, people where they use until they laugh you say, they get friends. When they say they marry Ghana, Surielo, different. You day. Good evening, my person. The day. Kokobiri. You Facebook, no where you there, you don't get what you won't talk again. Bring it that man down. The man feel bad. You don't know that this is not good. Emma, you mention it, Kokobiri. It's like you yourself. Now, you be this thing. What will I say it? Huh? And where are the Kokobiri Nari in Nigeria? You marry. You never think that this is going to happen. Huh? This community, when you carry something, no talk, baby. Huh? It's like you yourself, you are racist to the man. Two way racist. It's only racist that behaves the way Rita is behaving for this man. Let's speak the truth. Don't ever mention that Kokobiri on your platform again. It's painful. Okay, I'm a babe. I'm a Kokobiri. If person use that to laugh, you must still come and use it to laugh yourself. You know that it's painful. That is why when person repeat it, you repeat it. If I were you, when they repeat it, I'll do yes, I know here. It's like they pay you for body. Now make them, if they repeat it, you yourself go repeat it. You want to let them know, say, you know, they pay you for body. But deep down your heart, if they pay you. Did you know what you are doing? That is a full grown man, full human being. You know they respect her. Even you say we want their Facebook, you not go carry and respect her by yourself. Huh? Human being, now you carry put for this thing. See cat when my pikin go carry clothes that day. I go clean her, do plate, do everything, wash the plate, get everything, do one different. Look at the way I love the cat. I dare here now, see where hand put for here. It's like, wow, I fall in love with the cat. You see, if you not there, if you never come, you go hang for window, you go they look you. Once he don't see you, you go run, come down, come meet you. And it's a baby cat, oh, it's 4 months. You don't know us now, that is human being. So that is why if I look on sometimes, I say, I beg, as I dey train animal for house, me I kukuma they look, una we be human being. Me no yet I train animal wa. Animal they hear word for me. If you not feel hear word for me, that means say animal is better than you people. I just want to able to fall in love with all those pets of a teen. I will our animal, our where, I will kitake ya. I don't understand. It's not matured. You are not really showing matured. You know, maybe after this video now, some people near where they butter, they are coming to tell you in a way, and they're going to use it to brainwash you. For you to get angry at me. But the way I'm doing this video now, if you really say yes, I mean, the lovely matter, if you cannot make you get angry, it's getting too much. It's getting too much. Off this thing. Forget about this thing. Whenever they say Kokobiri, nobody is talking to you. Kokobiri was in that Facebook before you came. Kokobiri was there. I already tell you Kokobiri before you came on this social media. I'm on that telling Kokobiri where my life social media. Why is it that I will away Kokobiri, you will just grab it. Away Kokobiri, you just grab it. Does it really work that way? Eh? Rita, enough. It's not good. We are all the same. We are human beings. Sometimes, with a quarrel. I be that kind of person, me with you, if you do gaga. It doesn't mean that I hate you or I dislike you, but When I the third person something, no they hear. You get the way that they do. But people will know understand go feel say lovely. Be like say this person you they find out trouble. Be like say you hate this person. No, I don't hate it. The real people that have brain, they know what I'm doing. Those fake love people. Now they turn upside down. Maybe after this video, now you say, Rita, you see lovely. See what you just go to talk. No. But I'm saying the truth. Maybe the person will still get brain because he say, yeah, she's right. She's 100% right. Because we can't change anything. We don't change overnight. What's this? Why is all the time Kokobiri, Kokobiri, Kokobiri? You, a man, if you really cherish this man as your husband, you really love this man as your husband, anything when they fly, they come. You yourself go, you throw away, I say, nothing they fly, they come. You go ignore. You go ignore. If you really cherish this man, you know, when a woman got married, this man that I married, I cherish this man. I love this man. The way you will have that man in your heart, you won't let people to fish on this man. I said this, you see, last year. People said that they love it, they find your trouble. I know that it's going to happen like this. I know. I said that on another time. That time when I talk, I will say, I bet this thing, you don't do when they talk. You don't do ulawa. Don't bring it on your this thing. You analyze this. You letting your husband know that in Kokobiri. Did your husband know what is Kokobiri? Okay, if your husband should ask you now, what is the meaning of Kokobiri? How are you going to tell your husband? So you are going to tell your husband, this is why they call you Kokobiri. This is who is Kokobiri. Which tell these people, may they can't tell you what is the meaning of Kokobiri. They don't know what is the meaning of Kokobiri. Kokobiri is just a monk language, just monk. Just a nickname. Like Kokobiri be a nickname. A Kokobiri hin. But a nickname where you have woe. Did you know how many people out there that marry foreigner, that is Africa people, will not be Nigeria? A lot. A lot of them, they marry. How I wake Kokobiri, you just stand, you just they analyze. This is a shameful thing, Rita. Yeah, it's a shameful thing. Aren't you ashamed? This is shameful thing. All of them, when they come, they laugh in Rita, marry Kokobiri. They don't fair fuck Kokobiri. Most of them, they tell you safe. If they can date Kokobiri, if you marry Kokobiri, they don't have any word to say. Because they date Kokobiri. Then you marry Kokobiri. Is it not the same thing? Like, for example, now, I date Kokobiri, you marry Kokobiri. You see, then if I come and say, na Kokobiri you marry. Maybe if you date somewhere, you say, who you marry? Oh, that's Zimbabwe you marry. You say, oh, wow. I first see friend one country person like this. You say, wow. Is it not the same? Because those people, they are foreigner. They are not Nigeria. If Kokobiri that said this years back, he never say it again. If you go marry a con, you will use a monk person. Because the way you are doing it is too much. This is ridiculous. Yeah? Oh, man, Rita, this is not good. It's time for you to get out of that issue. It's time for you to quit that issue. It's time for you to off it. Whenever they do a video of Kokobiri, that's not your business. Rita or marry Kokobiri or work with Kokobiri. Leave. Not be why you walk back to Rita. Rita is a lot. When you come to fake accounts now, Rita, Imaswe, Rita Odigi, Rita Negbe, Rita Ovwen, Rita this. Just as my names, just see there when people see they say lovely, lovely this, lovely Osato, lovely Nedemi. Sure, that is it. What can they analyze now? Well, I analyze your husband there inside house. Your husband hear Kokobiri from your mouth. You know they hear am from another person's mouth. You cannot tell me that your husband is a busybody. That if I'm on live video, he will come. Another one day live video, he go. Another one day live video. You cannot tell me that your husband is a live video lover. Say any live video presenter that is on Facebook, on live video, okay? Say if they visit the platform, he's a man. Don't think he's going to be doing that. Unless now you will introduce him to this thing. There is a women that marry Asada. We see most of the that time for rich party. We dey respect them. I don't know why you guys are doing this. Maybe if the woman come now, maybe he marry like Zimbabwe, marry Ghana, or marry different black, not be from Nigeria. If you invite them for party that time, they come. We dey respect them. We go quick serve the man. Yes, we dey quick serve them. We say, oh, sister, oh, brother, how are you? We say, I'm fine. Thank you for coming to this party. You say, no, don't mention. We are one. You quickly go serve them. Then you bring your, they use all they do caricature for Facebook. What's that? Now your platform. Now your husband they hear Kokobiri Rita. If you know here today, you know I'm not a pretending human being. I can never pretend. When you are not doing it well, I'm coming to tell you, take it any way I put it. Just take it like that. When I sound angry, just know that there's something, the way Lovely put it, Lovely may be angry. But when you check it very well, she's right. You don't do that. Eh? I don't first use this man, you say, carry this man, how you go marry this man? Come the next thing you put up for Facebook. You think that I don't know what I'm saying. Eh? If anybody they do video that time, you go they show up. And you see this person, you see this, you see this, you see this. At the end now, the man is not coming out again now. But I can't see yet now. Now you be the person when be say, you always bring the cook. If, for example, now, you open Facebook, you they do live video. Can somebody voice go they come out for your Facebook, or let's say na commenter, or let's say na caller. If you they do live video, if when caller call in, that is where another person go here. No say person call in. Now two voice, your voice with that caller. Without caller no call in. Now only your voice. Now they go here for that live video. Did you know why I'm saying this? Because whenever you are on your live video, what do you normally do? You always talk about Kokobiri. If you don't talk about Kokobiri on your live video, your husband will not hear Kokobiri. He's not going to hear Kokobiri. You cannot tell me that your husband, they follow all live video presenter. Even when they don't even talk about Kokobiri, you bring it. You remember people. I don't know. Because when you're online, you will be like saying himself, they regret. Why you are, okay, the way you are follow people, they talk. It's like you they regret, say, why you go marry Kokobiri? Or how? Why did they make us want understand? This man is a man that you marry. Forget about this Kokobiri. Let me come and explain Kokobiri for you. The second one will say, let me come and explain Kokobiri for you. See, it's when you never marry Kokobiri. How many of them don't come and explain Kokobiri? How many of them? Most of them, they follow you to do wayo friendship. I don't take wayo friendship. I'm very scared of human being, especially when I see black sometimes. I get the way when I tell they do. But when I deal with Oyibo, I'm okay. I feel okay. Even if I open my nyash, Oyibo go look and remove my eye. If you use how to tell me, say, you don't close your nyash well. But open your nyash for where black people dey. You will go carry this, you also take on the video you. The black people cannot correct you, but the white people can correct you. That is why sometimes, if I dey wear black day sometimes, I'm not free. Yes, I'm not free. Because if I go do shopping, now they see black. Nigeria people. If I not go do shopping faster, now they see Nigeria. When you come to my community here, the black one in my community here. Now this country, the black one in this country colonized. Now they here. They not even reach 10 self. They even reach 5. They not reach 5. And this community here, they not there. This my area here, they not there my build here. This my area here, they not there. Maybe they feel they like you walk inside, inside, now they there. They not there here. I don't see black. If I tell you, say, I they see Nigeria people every day, I don't see them. If I don't go to Amsterdam, we don't see them. And if I reach Amsterdam, if I see, they throw away my eye. That's why they do. I throw my eye. Because to follow they say, It's terrible. When you stay with them, they go to record you. What kind of life is that? What kind of life? I can go to somebody's house. If I reach somebody's house, I know they enter life. Mainline life. But these people, they know that they run live video. Even there is a place I went to. There's one woman there said that it's like I know this face. It's like I know this face. Now my friend got to say, yeah, you go know and say, they run live video. Now the woman say, yes. They say, where you see this face? Don't see this face for YouTube. Whether the person where they act moving. Now tell them say, yeah, I do run live video. Did you know what the person said? He said, now you know enter live video since. I tell him, say, seriously? He said, yes. He said, if not some people now, I there where my friend they do party. I sit down for you, no, I can't see me. I can't see me. He said, why not enter live video since? Now I said, no. Now then the person say, when you are working your fabrica, or when, now I say, when you closing your fabrica, do you take your fabrica home along with you? He said, no. I said, that job you are seeing me doing, I'm doing it in my house. When I'm going outside, I don't have to on camera in somebody's house. Because the person that invites me to her house, he never tell me that you are coming to this party, come and video me. I won't be video this coverage. I want a coverage video. Even if I day person, her person go tell me, say, please, can you enter live? Can you put me on live? I'll tell her, so yeah, hey, go give me money from my hand. Yeah. Because you don't make me to be foolish. Not to say because I they do live video. If I can't reach your hands, you can't say carry me enter live video. All I wait till now they do say now una to say una they make money for live video. Una reach party, una just open live. The person just say, hey, you be live video presenter, but open video make we see you. Give me money, you pay put. Yes, pay put. Yes, like somebody now can't invite me to your house. If I can't read there now because I be live video presenter and say, lovely, please, can you on your live video? I'll tell her, say, sister, but enter your wallet. Give me money for that. How much? I tell her, say, but if you get 100 to 60 euro for there, give me. I go collect that for your hand. Yes, I take it from you. So that next time, you go no say, I know they play. I love to respect myself. Now you see some people will say, this lovely can pretend. This lovely. No. I won't take myself so low to your standard. I don't really have jello. I let you tonight. I won't take myself so low. It's not possible. I know my age. Because when you come Facebook, because they say sometimes they play, doesn't mean that we are age mates. That is how I do my things. I know my age mates. When I see mama like me, I know say this is mama like me. When I see young woman, I know say, no, this one is young woman. You don't expect me, a 40-something years old woman, he will take himself down to where 25 years day. Call a fool myself, say because he wait till I be live video presenter. I don't do that. And it's not going to possible. I don't please people to love me. And I don't want people to please themselves to love me. No. If you don't love me, you are on your own. And if I don't like you, I do on my own too. That is life. And I don't beg for love. I'm that one person, I don't beg for love. And they are afraid love well. Love now is something, is very dangerous. Love is very dangerous. Don't use love, play rich where I did. Anything when they break hearts, don't use it to, I love you. Tomorrow you can't they say, you're going to kill your mama, you decrease, blah, 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 blah. No, I don't like it too. I don't like it too. You see, that is it. Not all those fake love one they do for Facebook. There is some fake love you people, you they give people for Facebook. People really think that you love it. That is what I didn't take with them. Now you can say, yeah, that lovely. Yeah, do this. See your mate. See what your mate pass. Are you kidding? Say for your mind. Who did that Facebook? Be that live video presenter when it passed me. Because I they sit down sometimes. They carry myself come. And when I do show me, you don't know that I have a lot to show. There is some they don't have something to show. Even the old school. Because they did for Facebook for that they make brrrr. The talk where no be talk. Mouladian. All of them when they say Kokobiri. For France, for there, that time, people they talk. Say now black. Then what are you people coming to see on social media? Which of you are good? Yes, which of you are good? na miegenya emi gire o mayefo our way Kokobiri Rita wa move contract. Yeah? Must you put anything in your video? The other day I see you do the iron cloth. If you don't see waiting present, my sister carry cloth the iron because it's necessary more iron your children cloth so that the cloth will last for them. Yes. That is it. That is how I do my own thing. Me, I don't get time for anybody. I follow anybody do saga again. If I send message to you, say you don't do well, I send message to you. Just take it like that. Select the one where you go select for inside. Say, for I know say you talk to me, oh, this one, but this one you talk away. And that one you not talk away through when. You not can use stress it down, because they say message to lovely. If I reach your platform, I'll just laugh you. When I laugh you, know say, this lovely self not serious with me again. Because I don't be that kind of person when they serious with human being. Because I know say human being get the way when they be. They can laugh with you today, tomorrow, they can get angry with you. All those are when they analyze Kokobiri. Ya friend de Kokobiri ne. Ehwe magi yan tai. Ya friend ne. They are ashamed. Waka friend ne. Wana wa. No le on don't friend Kokobiri. No le on don't friend another this thing. Even Ghana people, when you go to Ghana now, some Nigerian people when they Ghana, they marry Ghana. Yes, they marry Ghana. When you come to this country, they marry Ghana. When you go Italy, they marry Ghana. Now they go say Ghana not be Kokobiri. This one not be Kokobiri. That one not be Kokobiri. This one not be Kokobiri. Kokobiri means say these people, they are not from Nigeria. That is why they are saying Kokobiri. They are not your Nigeria person. That is why they are saying Kokobiri. When I say Ghana not be Kokobiri. This one not be Kokobiri. No. But I know they use until they deceive on ourselves. And men we are not going to use until straight any word. Marry another person from another country, maybe black. Marry another person. Some people, even you say some people, they want marry them. Only wait till they talk. They will first ask, say, you know where this person they come? You know where family they come? First of all, go see if this man, whether not spirit or he get family. Because of the place they are coming from. That is why we are asking. Because it's still far. Like we won't be at those states now. I feel see Benin man, I will say I want to marry the Benin man. I tell the Benin man, say where you for come? You go tell me, say see where you for come. You see, huh? Then you tell me, say where for come. Tell me, say see where for come. Just to go see my family. Say, yeah, this person is from this place. He's from Edo. Now you shall be. I can't see no, so you are from Benin. See where your house there for Benin. That is waiting make these people, they different from black. It not be say, you go fit explain wetin Kokobiri mean. Just because say, you see some people, they'll say, I be one married there, but the place where for they come. I don't know the day when I go reach there. Yes. I don't know the day when I go reach there. You know see Oyibo? If Oyibo marry, some people they talk say, Oyibo na Kokobiri. How Oyibo to be Kokobiri? Are you serious? Oyibo na Kokobiri. How Oyibo to be Kokobiri? Brother you Kokobiri ye. I tell you. See Oyibo now. See most people when they come from another country, Uganda, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Zimbabwe, Togo, all those different places, all those African countries. If they marry, if they see Oyibo marry, the women went there. If they see Oyibo marry, the Oyibo they go their country. Oyibo will say, let me go and see where you are coming from. Now only all those our Nigerian people when they go marry from all those countries. Now they know they tell their husband say, come, make you go show me where you for they come. I do not they feel me. Or even he say, now bicycle line they transfer person. If they come down for moto, come down for flight, they'll say now this thing, now big glory. Now they carry person come. So far you both carry see the map whole. Oyibo no care whether you kill am. Oyibo no care anything about life care. When you talk of food, Oyibo no care about food. Oyibo fit just enter inside bush, see fruit to carry, chop am, drink water belle full. Now we dey find pounded yam. Even if say we dey inside desert, we dey inside forest, we dey find pounded yam. Oyibo fit just waka now see this iyoko when you full inside bush. Oyibo just waka, you say this one na iyoko. Oyibo don't pull am. Before you know it, don't make fire. It don't roast iyoko, it don't chop am. That is why when you see if Oyibo they travel, they go all those Africa countries, even the deepest Africa country, they are not afraid. Even the something where be say you when don't date the village, you never test. Since when you don't grow for that village, if Oyibo follow you reach there, you go test the food. Oyibo must test them. Even the small village, all those countries, the small village right there, even if it's a bicycle, now one carry you reach the village, Oyibo go follow you go. Now when they talk say Oyibo with the Kokobiri, now the same. Kokobiri now what they don't use and they talk. But I'm not talking about Oyibo. Now what now they use Kokobiri to talk. That is why you see most of some people, they will say, yeah, I said the man be good. Always say, where the man for the con, he far. Now he make the day different. If they far, they will say, where the man for the con, they far. But if you born one marriage, you all those Kenyan people, or you born they go Kenya now. Then they go Kenya, once they go once, now they go, they do their this thing. Many black women, when they come for Kenya, when they come from different places, or you born they go their country. Now let that one be different. Say, make those people, when they marry, all these people want they give different name, want to come put for person mouth, where everybody can take use and they sing. Then you go and visit the place where you marry. And leave, make Nigeria people, they condemn. These people, they are full of to condemn. Sometimes when they are doing this thing, sometimes when you come to correct them, you go be like, say, you don't know what they do. I tell this woman that time, say, carry this man, you don't carry a come for Nigeria. See the way we go carry this man, sit down for Facebook. What is this? That is what I said. But Choma, see now everybody they say Kokobiri. Now they carry the Kokobiri enter house. Now, if you person do video, now if you don't mention Kokobiri, Rita will just jump, come out. You just the analyzer. Eh? Thank you for the love. If this one mention Kokobiri, you jump, come out, come the analyzer. Most of them when they there, so most of them when they there, when then they say Kokobiri. Some of them marry Benin men. Some of them consider use corner, got a friend all those boys because all those Kokobiri, they give them money that time. Most of them. More like enter house. What you know they do, more how they talk. If I friend Zimbabwe, I'll come and say I friend Zimbabwe. If I friend Senegal, I'll say yes, I want friend Senegal. If I friend Ethiopia, I will say yes, I friend Ethiopia. I'll be that kind of person when I know the shame for what thing they do. If I want to do, I know the shame. I don't get shame. Human being cannot shame me. How you want to shame me? You get eye, get eye. You get mouth, I get mouth. You get ear, I get ear. Head they grow for your head. Head they grow for my head. What you want talk? What you want talk? When I she they talk. Me I be that one kind of person. I don't know whether they shame. All of them when they come they talk now, they iron the issue. All of them don't friend though. They don't friend. They don't friend. This one will come, you go analyze her. Now so Kokobiri B. This one will come, you go analyze. Now so Kokobiri B. Why this? When to make most of our Nigeria person when be say he see Kokobiri when he go follow. Most of them. Maybe you go they think say you say tomorrow they don't go change, go marry their own people. That is the problem of those foreigners when we they talk. Sometimes now you feel me say the day when you day with them, it cannot last forever because why? They are foreign. They can decide to go to their country today. But if you are the one that marry those men, try. Go the holiday one I go spend, I'll go here. Man, buy ticket, go Zimbabwe. Go and let the man show you where he's coming from. If you marry Ghana, buy ticket with the Ghana man. Let him go and show you where he's coming from. If na Ethiopia you marry, if na Zimbabwe you marry, if na Gambia you marry, let them know where you are, where they are coming from, so that you will not have double mind. You know? Yes. Because even our place serve, if some people not serve, when they marry for Europe, they don't know where their husband for they come, but their husband are beneath there. Maybe at last, if you can't reach Nigeria, you can't say, oh, some of the evil day they marry, before they break up, they don't know their husband mama for face. They don't know their husband mama, they don't know their husband papa for face. Maybe now through phone, now they go to see them. Maybe the time when they will come reach Nigeria, with the man already break up. You see, huh? That is it. Now let that one I be the problem when it's there for this matter when una the iron. Okay, the live video, the video now when Rita will come. I want to follow you quarrel, to be honest. I just want you to understand that let it end. Just let, I'm not, you are a mature woman of your own. But I'm not trying, to tell you to stop. Or I'm not trying to push you to stop. I'm not trying to command you. But try to let that something, let it end. Because of your husband. Yes, let it end. Even if they talk and go here tomorrow, now they talk and go here. The man are your husband. If you like, they say, Kokobiri. The time when I say, carry your Kokobiri husband enter house. I'll be waiting and tell you that time. I not say carry Kokobiri enter. I say carry your Kokobiri husband enter house. When you dress like Kansa. Don't be waiting and tell you. If I hit Percy, wait until I hit you at the talker. Let it stop. Waiting, Mama, you tete. If you be person wait be say, I don't know whether this something get high they do you. Something where you get high they do person. Now person they take person now. You get high they do you, they worry you. I understand. If this is the worry you are the one that take this man home to go and marry this man by yourself. You know what I say because your whole community now they mock you with the Kokobiri whether over a Facebook, to whether over a Kokobiri with Facebook. Have do a who where anache Kokobiri. You met that name on social media. Then why do you use the name to rob yourself? Yeah? Okay, what are you telling? Do you just let that man say, let me just go marry this man? Maybe people say I marry. Is that what you were thinking then? Now, any little thing, you come to the analyzer. Waiting, Mama, you talk for that video. When you they analyze. When I saw you this afternoon, you they analyze that issue. I said, what's wrong with this woman? Just say, I be person will be say I'm very stubborn. If you are doing something that is not good there, even if say me with you know they talk, I can call you, tell and say, drop that shit, may come on for there. Even the way when I'll tell you, say, you go shame. Wait, Mama, you ask Rita, do you know what, To be honest, to be frank and sincere, that video Mama Rita do, sit down and watch that video very well. There is no sense in that video. That video is a senseless video. Sense not there now. What if Mama Rita talk for there? To be honest. To be normal. Say you the truth they calculate with your brain. You they sit down, they watch something. You know, doctor say where the doctor say, Kokobiri. You just pick the video. Just they use the video till they bath yourself, till they wash yourself. It don't make sense. I see the video when did they do the video. When did they do the video? I entered. I said, what is this woman? What is she saying? She's not saying anything. That is rubbish. Yes, the way my personal person is not normal. You don't bring that man down to this. You don't bring that man down rich. Even if when you they gather they beat person, say person when they gather they beat that follow you beat that person, you go come on for them, you go say no, this nonsense still don't do. I better enter house. Even person when they follow you, they fight person. You go say, I better don't be like say you don't do the disgrace yourself. Not call the disgrace me, join yourself. What is that video when you do? When you carry conquer they analyze. That means when they throw a word of Kokobiri, you are picking it. Is it to console yourself? Let's call the spade a spade. Yes. You said that you are lenient. I don't see that in you, my sister. You are a very lenient person. That is what you said. But I have never wake up one morning and see the lenience that you have, that you are using. No. How can somebody that said that I'm a lenient person, you see where they use something that people always use to mock you, then you will bring it to come and analyze it in your platform. Is that? Look at, okay, Rita, you use and say, do live video one day. You say, as they talk about, say, bring Pikin out, bring Pikin out. He say, lovely, no go ever bring Pikin out. You use it to do video one day. You know somebody that is honest. You say, lovely, you know they can't show a Pikin. You can see the shadow of lovely Pikin. Eh? Okay. You can see the shadow of lovely Pikin. You not go bring a con. Yes, because when I on social media, they say, lovely, bring your children, come and we can look. Lovely, bring your children, come and we can look. I look the people when they say, bring my children. Some of their children are five months. Some are 3 years. Some are 5 years. Some are 6 years. I they with Agrippa, children for us. Showing you, I don't they born my Pikin. How old you dey? If you are 27 years now. I don't born my Pikin. Maybe now 7 years now you did that time. Or no, my Pikin don't reach 27 years. My Pikin don't complete 22 years. And maybe the time when I born my first daughter, maybe you did 7 years. Maybe now you don't did 29 years. Then you are telling me to bring my own child. Come show you as by waiting. As by waiting. When I can show you, if I should bring my Pikin, come. Say, if I should tell you when they say, come and show me, lovely, come show us my Pikin. If I tell you, say, this is my child. Now my child, now he go take you, now he go ride you. My Pikin go carry you, take straw out. He go put something for inside your brain because now they delinquent. They talk. One person write out for my comments, hey, they tell me you show up. You see, show your children. Wait. Now one person tell us, say, don't even waste your time. Lovely is not showing her children. Forget about that. Write comment on that thing. I saw one comment at hit her. Must she bring her children? But on this social media, as they talk and reach, I carry my children come on. So go say, you get one live video presenter. Everybody don't show your children. Na Pikin be. Na Pikin when they hide. They hide Pikin. Pikin when not fine. Na mama they hide. Pikin when not fine. Now mama they say, look at this. Most of them will be say they gog. They can't even take care of the children. When they get, even their grandchildren, they can't take care of their grandchildren. Asking me to bring my precious children to social media to come and do what? With delinquent people? With people that is shouting all the time they didn't go to secondary school? When my first daughter don't when my second daughter don't finish primary secondary school for almost 2 to 3 years now. Now my Pikin finish secondary school. My second daughter. My second daughter, the level where my second daughter then now the level where they want to enter university. You know, say for this country to they go school, get there, they quarter. You will spend 1 year for year, spend 2 years for year, spend 3 years for year. Where be say now road of university. Now you can't they go so. Then you ask me to bring my children to come and do what? Who I want show? Because the irrelevant people are showing their children. It's not making sense. And those children, those people are showing when you bring them out. Those children don't supposed to be on social media with their mother. They're supposed to do their OT on their own. They're supposed to be computerized. To see most children. Their computer, now they think they get money. They get money through computer. Cool money. Want to go in, they go put on for their The other day I said, my first daughter, you guys are telling me, lovely, come and show you my first daughter. Lovely. I said my first daughter received 3,000 plus. One person say, which work did they do? Are you the lie? So look at this bitch. Now one person write for comment say, now only road work, now they know. Because when I bought for abroad, this Pikin start to they grow in little factory by himself. Do you know how old? He did 17 years, not already they grow that distance by himself. You don't already they grow on. Then these people are telling me, lovely, come Come and show me your children. My daughter of 22 years. Inside how many months ago? Now he showed me the balance of the money when he keep. I see they buy something rich. He said, Mom, is this account? I keep 20,000 euro here. I was so happy that I didn't born a wayward child. You say, you see this account, it's 3,000 that is here. Now that one, if you want to buy something. And before you go take for inside, I will have buy. Since when you show me that 20,000 euro now, if you show me again, and your boss say that money now, you don't they plug 30,000 euro because every month that they pay on. I'm so happy that wow, I stood by my children, 3 children. Now you see some people for there, they say, do you know why I'm saying this, my sister? As I talk, rich bring my children come Facebook. No, my children, they have things when they do. My first son, that one get activity when they do. My second daughter, that one get activity when they do. You expect me, come carry children when they go school, come this delinquent community. A community that is very useless. A community that there is no faith in them. A community that brought their own self, their life, their family, their children, they bring them to the mold to bath them with poto like pig. Then you expect me to come. You think my background is not a seke background. I am coming from a wisdom family. A family that they go to school. They can school. We are learning. We go to school. I don't come out for all those family when I'm finish primary school, I'm aware secondary school, I'm when I like a university. Do you know how many graduates I have? Do you know my mother? Do you know your grandchildren? You know how many graduates I don't get for my mama grandchildren? Because in our remina so in my year school, now I come from Eastside Village. Some people they come from Eastside Village. Do you know a lot of people that left Nigeria, they come here? It's on our school. All these auxiliary nurse, all those things, they go. When we say yes, they go. They are 6 months when we say government will fees, they pay school fees for them. Now they work today. They are work if you read there. No. They are not Facebook, they are not the fool themselves. They don't disgrace themselves up and down. And they are making noise. He making noise, he make. Avant rade. You go see ton that go they go they spark. Say tomorrow no they that they loud pardon. Those are the people where be say now these people I like very well. I like. Are you serious? If you read no man say, do you know most of those people they don't traumatize on our brain. They don't kill on our medulla. Like that is what I just write comment. I think it's 3 weeks now. It just come here, just the zuzu. I watch that person. I know it's all time. I put him for schedule. I arrange schedule for him. When you go, they follow for life. I said, don't come here and start fooling yourself. You have children. Take off your children, iron your children clothes, clean your children room, wash your bedspread, iron your bedspread, take good care of your children, enter bedroom, bath, use better perfume, carry your pikin, go stroll out, maybe from 2 hours, all those nyakanyakon for Facebook is going to clear out of your system. He come. Do you know what that person told me? Say, you should block me. Please block me. I said, no, I'm not going to block you. I wish that they do, I'll go to kill you. Then you will have a lot of opportunity to patch on me. But I never give you that stage. I don't give stage to irrelevant person. I watch her. I told her what she need in her life. I motivate her. Later I say, block me. Please block me. I said, no, I'm not blocking you. This is my territory. You are the one that came here. You have to leave. I'm not the one that is leaving. I'm not going to block you. You are the one that will go. Cause from that 3, you don't reach 3 weeks. Now people, when they follow me, when I they talk on that day, the day here, from that 3 weeks now, can't reach today. He not reach here again. He thought that maybe he gets depression. I tell him, I said, do you see this platform? I have no depression tablet here. Because if I want to follow you, I'm going to hide more. I'm going to depress you with bad mouth. Then I never want to depress her with bad mouth. All I do, I just motivate her. Then she couldn't bear it again because she think that when you have said woo, 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 I'm going to cry with her. Woo, 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 woo. I never do that with her. I let her know that I'm your senior. I can educate you. I can change your brain. Since your reason is so depressed, come, I will help you to wake it up. I put normal something for your head. Since then, you not come here again. You not come here. That is it. There is some people you don't do things with. You must not do things with anybody that comes to your way. You do things with irrelevant people. You do things with people that break down with frustration. There is some people that break down with frustration. There are some people frustration break them down. Then instead of them to look for a nice therapy to go, make them fix their brain well, they'll come on Facebook on the Zuzu. If you have a problem, any country where you are a single mother or you are a married woman that you are not comfortable in your marriage, don't quit it. Go to the government of the country. Tell them they go find any activity put you. When you go there, you do things. Then now Oyibo is offering to help you. They do one small. By the time you know that depression when it's in your head, you will cure them for inside that place. If not only this you go they dance for there. If they get where they do different things for there. You get where they so bid. You get where they so this thing where they call them teddy bear. Tell them say where they work for teddy bear, make they carry you go. If now 1 hour, 2 hours, and you spend for there, it's good. If you reach house and if you open Facebook, you don't go like her. Facebook will irritate you. Find somewhere to hook up on yourself. No all the time, social media. Nonsense people. Person know they hear what they get. So they say they make money for Facebook. If you see money when they make, money enter house, I beg you. They make 2 million, they make 2,000, they make 1,500, they make where is they? Where? Now they make all those money for Facebook. Now people still there for Fabrica, they work. And those people, when they there for Fabrica, they work, all of them get Facebook before now. See Oyibo, if they make money for Facebook, Oyibo, therefore, they work again, they work. Any little thing, now come. I will video, this video. Somebody cannot do video. You do video for me. Then I'm going to analyze, only what I'm going to do you, I would like you to come and fool yourself. You see that stupid character when they do for that social media, your voice, I will delete your voice. Your character will they play for my live screen. People they say put your voice, and I say no, let the character make the fool itself. See video when we do mama do do. That video is nonsense. That video not make sense. What did they do? You don't that woman don't even know what she's saying. I don't know. If most of them just put small akpe for months, they don't use enter Facebook. Most of them they don't talk with your clear eye. They talk with akpe. If they don't drink, they don't talk. They are alcoholic. They drink too much. That is why when they are saying something sometimes, and when they talk and finish, the person when is something refer to, you go just pick her. You go to analyze her. Man, go and check her first. Go and check it first. Whether you go use and take rub your body. There is some things when you tell say this person makes sense. By the time you complain because you know why you think that person makes sense. Because you are thinking that person talk for your favor. Because you are in that particular sport. Then you are looking for something that will favor you there. You know, when you are in one particular sport, it's something that is making you to be on that particular sport. And anything that came out of that particular sport, at that moment, you think that is normal, that is going to favor you. But when you look down to that something, you know, say that something don't make sense, it don't go favor you. I just say, if you see some people when they're intelligent, if they did some area, they'll say, nothing there here, they go quit. Anything when like may fly come, you don't ready if they land, you go say, I can't use this. I can't use this. My sister, you think that live video you rotated do, that it makes sense. Go back to that live video and watch that live video. It doesn't make sense. The woman, she was not saying anything. It don't make sense. What is she saying? What is she saying? This one na Kokobiri, that one na Kokobiri, that one na Kokobiri, that one na Kokobiri, that one na Kokobiri. If the way she said that this one na Kokobiri, this one na Kokobiri, okay, why did they talk Kokobiri? If it said that thing, that Kokobiri issue, na wo, may everybody use and take rob. The issue will not be on social media. Yes. The issue will not be on social media. Who is bringing this issue? Rita na make Kokobiri enter Facebook. No. Kokobiri issue enter Facebook before Rita came to live video. Yes. Most of those live video presenters, when they call the Zuzu today, Kokobiri don't enter. Do you know this Kokobiri issue? It's long time. It's how many years now? Rita now is spending like 3 years for social media. That Kokobiri issue is more than 5 years. It's more than 5 years when Uncle Efe use until they do live that year. When you use until they do live, Rita never enter Facebook. You never enter. Now people, when some women are then, when they talk that time, now they carry the matter they give. Now Uncle Efe doctor say Kokobiri. That is how Kokobiri come to this social media. This Kokobiri they come to social media through Rita. But Rita is just using it to rub herself like red oil. What's this? My lady, is enough, please. You know, say, I don't me. Nah. They say something where they big pass. You know? When it's something they talk, and they go big pass. That time they say, love, bring your children, love, bring your children, love, bring your children. When they talk, they say they don't see my children. They enter house. If I did live video, the next thing, maybe if now my children they follow talk now. Maybe you get too far, go say, maybe Piki will come by mistake pass. Maybe Piki will come by mistake, but they will carry phone. I say, see them. Before you move, I don't know you. My spirit already tells you what you will do. If my Piki they pass, I can turn the phone upside down. And if my Piki shadow enter this, even if say now 1K view, now they watch me, I will delete the video. Because there is sometimes you protect the things you cherish too much. Rita, if you really cherish this, your Zimbabwe man so much, it's high time you take him off Facebook. When they are saying Kokobiri, the man's name is not Kokobiri. It's like sometimes you do something too much. That is why people mock you with it. The man na Kokobiri na be name for Euro country. You know get name. Eleni. Who really actually? Huh? Now really be name. If you cherish this man so much, whenever they say Kokobiri, don't bring it on your social media. When you are saying it, your husband is hearing this thing from your mouth, not from my mouth. As a husband dead, so you know how feel they wash me. Yes. If I were you, say, as I dey do this video, so say you they wash me. You don't even need to put it loud. Use your earpiece to they wash and make your husband know they know. That is the respect you will give to that man. Don't say that I come with they not they respect each other for this social media. They don't they respect my dear. They respect each other for social media. The time you people give Monica Kokobiri, what did Monica do? Monica open Facebook. He said, "Na lovely if I give her name, Takabele. Make una they call me Takabele. But una not call me Kokobiri." He rejected. He said no. Today now people know they call her Kokobiri again. They don't call her Kokobiri again. He don't say he no want. Why you think Kokobiri man like her? Yes. Now tell Monica say not be me give you. He said lovely I beg can't tell them more. But they don't call now say Monica not be me. I don't know I want to talk her. You since you not like her, you don't talk her by yourself. They know they call her Kokobiri again. Now they now wish when they say she can't be a Kokobiri. She want that they call her they now wish. She want to escape come on for they now wish. As they do it, they now wish reach the last name when they now wish no one made they call her for this social media. Call they now wish Zaga. Call they now wish Mina Okeria. All those one know they pay now. But if you call her they now winch, you don't scatter a brain be that. All the time. Ayata, you will just stand. You don't they talk her. Egbe megbe o, egbe megbe o, egbe megbe o, egbe wogbe. Why are you repeating it? My sister is enough. Take that man. Whenever they say Kokobiri, they are not talking to your husband. They can say Kokobiri. Kokobiri matter don't fit the Facebook before you come. Even before you take your husband to Africa to go and marry your husband, Kokobiri was existing in social media. Whenever somebody do talk about Kokobiri, Kokobiri can exist in Bani. Then why are you using it to rob yourself? Why? And that your husband not there inside that house. So how do you feel? Okay, for your mind, you feel say, now play. You they use until they play. Rita, your man not they use until they play. Oh. Even if the man say, no, I don't care, I don't understand, they're not lie. He's a human. He's a human being. It's like that they terrorize him. Do you know what is terrorize bullying? You use one name, they bully, and now you consider even they use the name for inside your own house. Take they bully the man Kokobiri and my husband Kokobiri, my husband Kokobiri. You are the one bully this man, not this social media again. They are not the one bullying him. You are the one. If you don't say Kokobiri now, your husband will not hear Kokobiri. Yes, as I'm saying Kokobiri right now, maybe you are watching me. If you use earpiece, your husband will not know what I'm saying. You don't know that if I'm talking about you or about him. But when you leave it without you don't use earpiece. You are just doing listening like that. Maybe you will say, okay, maybe now there your husband will come to hear my voice. Say they talk about this issue. Yes. There is some women that their husband for inside house. Their husband don't like live video. Their husband don't like live video. Now, if they hide sometimes that they look live video. So the husband say, now here you can't hide put. You don't go come on for this live video. Yes. You know that this on call like you say, but make quick talk put to before my husband go come. The people that even the caller that call you people, they do respect their husband. Most of them do respect their baby father. Most of them do respect their boyfriend. But now when it comes to say, una marry, una know they respect una husband. How can you bring yourself so low on social media? Then your husband will come for top, low. Your children will come here, they will bring you down, lash you. They lash you free, they carry your husband on top of you, lash your husband. If they lash your husband free, carry your children on top of you, on top of your husband, lash your husband. Everybody in your family, they will receive insult. Now, not see who want to. Not be saying I me good though. Not be say I good. But there are things I don't take. If you like me, you dey gaga. If you like be stupid. If you like be crazy. If you like pretend for I don't care. That's the way I am. I'm natural. I'm real. I'm not fake. I don't love fake things. If I don't want, I don't want. If I don't want to be your friend, I don't want to be your friend. If you don't want to be my friend, just take it. Let it be so. Not be all the time. While wear Kokobiri, while like live video. The Kokobiri. You irritate tough for them. You irritate never made sense. The woman, she don't even know what she's saying. She don't know what she's saying. She just want to carry awareness. She just want to bring the topic of say Kokobiri. You just want to bring the topic. Okay, now say they'll say okay. The video when you talk, you should really sit down, listen to that video. Does that video really make sense? It's shocking. That means say she trying because irritated she say we oboke Kokobiri and you take it personal. That is why irritated is trying to make it to be easy with you. So that irritated trying. There is something Rita is trying to do it for your favor. I made Mama Rita do that video. And what Mama Rita talk about that video, it make no sense. Sense not dead here, it's irrelevant. Then you just carry on, you call the narrator. They analyzer. I saw you this afternoon, they analyzer. I tell myself, what did this woman even do say? Anything they talk Kokobiri, must you bring it on your social media to analyze it? Can't you even respect that your husband by yourself? Can you? There is some people they'll say, oh, can you want to go say, I bet, not be my wife. Okay, or while I go that side. Who bear your nu? You know, our work Kokobiri, you the next thing, and it could be like saying a national time. Our work Kokobiri will work by bay. Even if they are not talking to you, you are coming. You are not telling people that na Kokobiri you marry. I don't understand. You are the one saying it. I don't see any video when you do when you want to analyze. For your mind, say you do that video for your favor. Say that video favor you. The video, you don't know, you can say now it favor you. And you don't need things like that. You don't need to analyze something like that. You know, I beg. Carry mob, they mob your house. Any fly when they agbole camera. It's better than call they analyze irrelevant video. Eh? That is irrelevant. Something that is you feel that this thing they are saying you don't like it, and when somebody uses it to do live video, you bring it on your table, you analyze it. Why are you dying in silence? Why are you killing yourself? That's the plain truth. You killing yourself. Why are you doing that? What's your when I was like me now? Maybe I feel the live video now. Person feel pass. Lovely not be man, you guys so. Lovely not be man pass you so. For your mind, I'll come answer you say nah man. I go talk over her. They say the English people say silence is the best answer. Give it to a fool. That issue you have to silence it. Wait till this one they talk. You say, Madam, forget every other people that is Benin is the Kokobiri now say now the issue the waiting. Which he shall just say he shall get waiting one follow na the top for you. Now they fool na self. Now they fool na self. Which he shall mention. He say what I they say Isha na Kokobiri. Even you yourself don't say Isha na Kokobiri. You know, not be Kokobiri. He say Igbo na Kokobiri. Even you yourself know say Igbo not be Kokobiri. That means say you when they say na Isha oh. What is Isha one come they use una take they do for this thing? It is something called they pay una come they talk of Isha. All them ka ba we gbe wa ka te Isha. Na Isha oh na come they talk. Eh? Okay. If Benin can go marry Isha now, what if Benin one can be? If Benin man go marry Isha, if you reach Isha land, you go come be Kokobiri from Benin. You don't know what you they talk. Which kind you talk of Isha? Now that one for your mind. Which Isha oh? Eh? You walk at Sunday walk out do marry yourself. Yes. One gonna dey disgrace on ourselves. Someone for inside do my sister not be all of una. I know say now so they change my topic. And if you carry a con, I go use and taste stone you. You yourself know say I be racist. When you talk about racist, you now know. Always I know they like to play it because of humor. You know, when people say you dare lights like that, when things like this come, you don't have to use this because you know they inside darkness again. That is why I don't bring when you talk about racist. When you don't waka, when they talk about racist, you don't have to focus on it. You don't have to do it with people. It's like you are still in darkness. Which Isha? You don't ever see any Isha man when you're ugly. When say me so bia, okay, you okay, okay, for where? You know what I'm talking about. You know? You know what I'm talking about. It's high time. May you forget. All of una wanna they talk about Kokobiri now. All of una first fuck the Kokobiri. Una fuck the Kokobiri. Don't come and change it here. When they talk say because say it's Ishan. If Ishan be Kokobiri, that means what Benin people can be. Benin people are Kokobiri now. Yes, Benin is Kokobiri. Yeah, if Ishan be Kokobiri, Benin people are Kokobiri. Now that one they tell they whine you. Now that one they tell they whine your brain. Only they whine the brain, you know, say. Are you serious? From Ishan to Benin. How many from Ishan to Benin? You reason now because you are a Mugu. From Ishan to Benin. If you really see better road, drive. You'll see better road, the road you go drive. From Ishan to Benin, say you want to get that car, better road. You don't even reach 25 minutes. You don't reach Ishan. 25 minutes. Well, I say, so I only use flights till they go. They want to come out for they want the flight not go carry you come out for ground, carry you go up, waka for 6 hours, or waka for 8 hours, or waka for 7 hours. You not go see like that. That is how you people, you change things. You people, you want to bring issue of Benin and Ishan. More of the fool now serve. As soon as the fool now serve reach, how many una they analyze Ishan foolishness for social media a day? How many Ishan na go carry come one day? Come they say, hey, see this Ishan, see what he do today. Oh, now so he can't chop the woman money. Oh, now so the woman can't push her come on for us. Oh, now so the woman can't do like this. Oh, how many? He dey not be so now. No, they bring on a disgrace come out. If you see they talk now, this Kokobiri when they talk now. Now see they fuck the Kokobiri. Abi ugoni mudore vawon. Now see they fuck the Kokobiri. No, they disgrace on herself. But other people they do and you don't go here. Make you see somebody now they carry pikin they go now black woman. Now black woman free from Igbo, free from Isha. You go see the pikin. If you look at where you also will know say that pikin no be Nigeria person born for, but now Nigeria woman na be. Then the woman where they follow and go no. You know that say na Kokobiri born for. But if now na Kokobiri born for, na Kokobiri just born for. Kokobiri up here now. They all give you something hide. And when you from these people present hide something, my dear. If you sit down, you they hide down, You know what you go do? You will send a message. You say, if you hear me go bring water, come. If you go, just kukuma carry and come out for there. If not, once you come out for there, the person where you they hide down for, he go come tell you says that thing where they hide just now, when you define now here you hide down puto. You people that cannot keep secrets for yourself. We are not keep secret for yourself. Nothing. Now they disgrace to themselves. Now they talk us and tell you. Kokobiri take fork for France, from different places. Aren't you people ashamed of yourself? You know they shame. E by the shame, I didn't even reja. I am not do to the register. I walk by a Beni Kokobiri. Boni wacho, everybody are reaching Kokobiri. No, other people no they don't to Kokobiri. No be alone now be born for Kokobiri oh. But now they talk and pass. No, they talk and pass. Okay, what did that video when that woman do just now? Nothing there. Nothing there. He say, oh, you born a Kokobiri. This one a Kokobiri. That one a Kokobiri. Does that really make sense? That one makes sense. I will tell you born a Kokobiri. When you look you born a light. Ebo light ebo no what fuck why you born Kokobiri no. They get to na character. Oyibo get to na character. Una useless character. Oyibo get una character. How many Oyibo you don't see say now na come meet them for the country? How many una don't see say they don't bomb for everywhere? Different Oyibo na they bomb for them. Now these same people, they don't dey for Europe. They don't bomb for 5 black men. You know, they don't bomb for 5 black men. And where Oyibo dey? For those 5 children when they born, Oyibo not dey inside. If your bawo chain na, in our berry gbe so te you feel Oyibo na Kokobiri. Oyibo na true Oyibo currency. Now you tell us Oyibo na light, Oyibo currency. You see their currency. If you carry their currency, or you buy currency when you go carry enter restaurant, you just not take chop. But carry the currency, carry and reach Nigeria. You get waiting, you go feel open business. Let your man carry you go restaurant. Now maybe at the end of the day, when eat finish, you go pay 300. Better restaurant too. Better restaurant, when you go sit down, they go will let fish come. That fish alone, when they will let come, is almost 170. Not beyond burger. Oh, they see restaurant. Because why you? The one when I know they go, the one where they sell all this spaghetti with all those what do they call them? All those this when they don't feel waka follow their mama anytime and they was about share hine. Now like I get restaurant that they eat, chop anytime, look anytime when they inside. Eh? When say you restaurant, ask him when it can they will give you this thing. Be my choice. You go chop and chop and chop, and you know if you chop and finish. You go chop 1, 2, 3. You don't belly food be that. Oh well, no, you both Kokobiri. Mama, will you tete? I don't know the food where you chop. You know. Oh, you born na Kokobiri, mama. Why you don't go? This is go stay. Why you don't go Zimbabwe country? You leave Nigeria and go Obodo-Yibo. You for go Zimbabwe. That is for Nigeria. Maybe for China, you will see Zimbabwe ticket. Take go. Why you don't go? Since you born na Kokobiri. Don't write here because your comment is not staying here. Why are you fooling yourself? Your comment not to stay here. You know, so this is the illiterates where they be. When you are somewhere, they don't want you, they will still be there. Which useless father and useless mother trade these children? I be they cause them. You know, so this to do when they mark put for their body. Now you can make some useless inside. They go mad to do for their body. Say, ni ayagbewa o makebo yo igbe. That they go makebo for body. They go makebo no kaya zuwa. I mark yes igbe. When you don't want them, they still come. And these people don't know me. How? These people don't know me. Say, oh, I will say when I see my old school friend. They go to say lovely na human being when they know they understand. Don't forget lovely. You say lovely. You won't understand lovely. The time when you take they laugh. Lovely. You go serious. The time when lovely go take they laugh. You can't say make you laugh. That time, lovely go waka leave you. You know, I don't know how Unate they follow these people waka. I don't really know. I know if you follow them waka. Like. We are ye ha, we are ye su, we are ye sa, I don't know. I don't know why they are just like this. If you tell they say ha, they know they hear. And I don't know why they are like that. And those are the people, not only they get that character. You see most of those Benin people, now they get this character. If you see an Igbo person, once you don't look at like this, you don't cut your friendship off. You will say, These people, you don't want them. They go, they tell you, say, beg me. Who? Beg you. Who? Beg me, I not insult you. Are you pleasing for somebody to love you? You please for love when the person hates you? To be frank and sincere, right? So sorry, well, no worry, we plus some commenters. I don't like Una. This is the second time I'm saying it. I hate Una. Some of the inside, they know themselves. I don't know why. I hate you people with passion. I hate them. I don't really need them. Maybe I need diva. Are you guys kidding? What person don't need to know? No, they know. Yeah? What you need diva violent? How can say ya vibe? Now so they be like this thing. Even you see ant. If ants now, if they use group they come now, the road when they follow they come now, just use your hand. If they don't they come now, their front, just use your hand. Mark ground. Now that ground when you mark, now they go follow. You see, if they don't they come with straight, now just mark and go right. they all follow right. Because they know say that straight, they block am. They go follow right. They go. These people, drive them for left, they go come your right. Drive them for your right, they will come your front. Drive them for your front, they go come your back. And they are relevant. I don't know, Edo State was the best state so far that have education. What are you looking for in Edo State? A state that have 2 universities. A state that have almost 300, whether not 1 secondary school. Almost 301 primary school. These people, they are still delinquent. That is a pity. Pity. And if you come to not they do like that, they'll say you they pretend. We never go for the same place. We grow for different place. That is why they use their mentality. Most of them have one dubious, dirty character. They use it. They take until they confuse the one that is normal. If others are constantly say, wow, what am I doing? Why am I in these people? When those people live there, they started saying, I'll go bring your history, come. I go bring your history, come. And you know me, I go bring your history, come. Go to Edo State. They always carry say, now we get Edo State, now we get Edo State. They don't leave Edo State for now. See the way one and governor use and take tonto vadori. Nothing where they feel produce. Only what they produce, igbina. Well, if they don't mention it, they will all be like, so now one die. I don't know what they kill now. Go to all your schools when they Edo State, na Ishaman, na Putan. Ambrosali enemy. Ambrosali ona. Ambrosali secondary school. Ambrosali primary school. Ambrosali do this. Ambrosali do that one. When they put an nine, all the state governor come they come. Varia revia nya marela zuma revizaka. If you don't say va alwe neko, now go expose them. Those people that can betray their own people. Then wait till another person will come follow na my friend. You can betray, if you can betray your own Benin sister, your own Benin brother. You don't expect me to come close to you, come and embrace you. Come, if you don't betray your brothers and sisters, come, you gonna be my friend. How you there, Lolo? When you don't play with them, you gonna be like, say, seriously? Come do the best, this thing. Today now that they say, if you reach this thing, private school, the best private school so far in Nigeria, I say, oh, na Nume Christi. Where Nume Christi day? Edo State. Where they for Edo State? Today Ishan land. Where they for Ishan land? Today Arue. Today Arue. Today Arue. How are you? I'm your new you. They was about her primary school fees. Now they want to go this thing. When we talk of the best guest school so far for Nigeria, na Edo State na get. Wawa kugbe ware ria jeriria. Na Edo State, should I mention it for you? Because who am I? Should I mention for you? When I get from primary school, when I get admission to enter secondary school, my name came out in this thing, Idia College. Idia College. Idia College is a guest school. Then my parents said, no, for Bini, where I want to go stay for Bini. And but the house, Idia College, go for the house. My parents said, no. You know, they don't want. Then I now go to this Ladies of Floss Girls Grammar School in Uromi. Since now girls school now my name for come out, okay, the girls school where they did this thing, I can't go a Ladies of Floss Girls Grammar School. Another girls school still there, All those girls school now be super school then. Yes, my love, how you doing, mama? Then when you go to this thing, Irua College, girls school they there. When you go to this thing, Ubiaja, Secret Art, now girls school. A lot. The best secondary school so far in those states. Who go feel no and they don't know more. How about that? I can't take you where the daytime light. How can you wear air lights, UG? Very nonsense people. No joke near them. There are people they run for themselves. Oh, quick Kokobiri, I see Facebook. Kokobiri, oh, Kokobiri. Kokobiri, oh, Kokobiri. Kokobiri, oh, Kokobiri. Huh? That one said that because he say Ishana Kokobiri. Ishana be Kokobiri. Ishana Kokobiri. Don't get anything you want to talk. Story. I am your tata right to Ozo. You know, my sister, they are matagaters, they be relevant people. The way these people do things, even if say now only primary school, now you for come out in those days, you'll be very learned. When you don't enter JSS1, man, you don't from JSS1 enter JSS2. So they learn be that everything change, your system change, your reason change, everything change. Can't reach today. These people don't have it. They don't have it. They are just everywhere. Some will say that some of them will say that they'll be motivational speaker. Start from your home. Start from your home. When you motivate, start from your home, where you are coming from. Your own self. Start from yourself to demotivate. There is a lot of things they will see in you. If now people when you get brave, say, what is she talking about? She can't even explain herself. She can't even introduce herself. And at the end of the day, they shout. These people, they just like to raise dust for nothing. And their issue, do you know why? Their issue is so useless and irrelevant. When they bring the issue of social media, you have to say, sky go break. You all say that, oh, these people is going to break the sky. At the end of the day, their issues sound illiterate. Illiterate disease. So those sound illiterate when you say, oh my God. I thought that we are going to find some things out of this this program or this bullshit. There is nothing you can find out from everything they are putting on social media. And when they carry it, you yourself will say, how are they going to end it? How are they going to end it? From today, tomorrow, you don't come on from social media. Another day, they go bring and come again. They are on one issue. They will hold that one issue, that one issue, that one issue, that one issue, that one issue. There is some people on this social media, there's something they have in them. There's something that is troubling them. They use it to laugh. Person will be saying, you don't use it 800%, they okay. When you don't borrow money, when you don't ask of money, when you don't beg of money, you pay your bills, you do everything around you, you take care of your children, man, you are okay. When you they borrow money, you find money, borrow me, because they don't calculate where. They don't do things with schedule. They don't do something according to their income. They do over their income. These people receive 1,000 euro. Before month go end, these people don't already borrow 500 euro. These people receive 1,000 euro. Before month go end, these people don't borrow 200 euro. Because why? They do useless competition. something that is not going to make them. Then they say that I've made them with this. And all those things they are doing on social media is not going to make them. What they know they make them, neither they do. Yes, my sister. Yeah. They used to have the best secondary school. All the Edo State. Audio Edo State. They get the best secondary school so far. Wait, now so they still get the best primary school. And you see these people, they will come on social media. They say that I didn't go to secondary school. So where were your mother, your father? You guys are ashamed of yourself. And then you people, you are still doing rubbish. My papa knows him money to pay school fees. My mama knows him money to pay school fees. And you grow with irrelevant life. At the end of the day, they will come on social media. They will be doing rubbish. Most of them, when they comment, they commit stupid comment. When Gogo can help you out with that. Gogo help you guys out. And Gogo. Irrelevant people. They go fuck man finish now. Now those people, you go see women. If they fuck the man go say fuck you, say God forbid. Now me too, they fuck each other. The people when they will say, I just say you sleep with this girl. You say no, God forbid, though, not be me and you. You say you too dirty when I go sleep with now. You dey man. So they don't come to say, this boy you lie oh. If now they use their mouth, they talk out, prick, they enter their toto. Those useless, non-entity, all those people where they're not supposed to be mother of children. They're not supposed to be mother of children. They're supposed to even find where they go. He fuck me, why women? Are you serious? Talking about why women? Are you mad? Are you real? There is some women, you go chop the food finish for there. If you like the debate on that, he go tell you say, he go tell say, really? Are you serious? Because they do another thing. All those ones, they will focus on it. Whether they use disgrace, they give you a walk up, I don't know. They use disgrace, they give you a walk up. I say, hey, I'm going to walk up with disgrace. Now, these people I know say, they'll say, egbe, I know they shame, egbe, I know they shame, yo. You share, you not share, yo. Like Ogbe, when you come to my doorstep, I'm not going to open door for you. Where I ring, I will use my chest, stay back, you go front. Then I'll lock my door. What do you want? Egbe, you won't no feel respect yourself. Then I give you chance to enter my life. Maybe you come to disgrace me. Yes. You cannot respect yourself. You go, menye. As you menye finish, you disgrace yourself, say you menye. What if you can't see me where I for the menye? You will not keep your own menye. Now my own you won't keep. You see some people when they get running mouths that year, they go their friend go say, my sister, if you go your boyfriend, please not let her know. We not go tell him. We go say you say mouth not the close. Now not be. You when you go do, you don't feel hide your own love making when you go do. When they do that love making, no, not doing for public. I don't even know why you people are doing it indoor. You people should take mat, spread it on the street. Since they said they're not the shade. Since una so not the shade, I never see una say una they do for ordinary road. That they shame when they say egbe, egbe. They give themselves woto feed it. They can't go inside house. They go use drink, take step down. I say, you know they shame. Who want to shame for you? I mean, want to share your shame. You want to share your shame. Then I mean, want to come from your presence. Open up. These people, they don't open up with them. Most of Benin people, now they don't open up to them. Again, they are Benin people. Some of Benin, they say, God forbid though, Those one where they disgrace themselves. No. God forbid. You will not keep your secret. Then I know so you don't keep your secret. Now my own. Now you won't come keep your own secret. Oh man, no one keep a secret in nowhere. Now you go feel loyal to keep somebody's secret. Not be all those one wearing the food everywhere. They food themselves. I fuck. And another women. I do women. Another my conny me. I do my conny me. Another beer. Beer. And not pa. Obey na be. Can't give me the leg. That man can't do. He can't come on. Obey na be. He can't give me. There is some women out there. They're born for 2 men. They're born for 3 men. Nobody know. Nobody know. Now they draw their leg come out. Hey, you are going to I was shown around with that bar up here. One week or up here, a cannon around in Ifia. But I'm gonna get 1.5 leg. Why you buy this something? Okay. You have to change it, eh? Okay. You see? Somebody will make video na irrelevant video. If they can't tell me for years, say now because they mention Isha. Why now they like to use it na disgrace? Want to use and take the rubbish? They don't they ask. Then they ask, say, where Isha dey for inside those states? Then they ask. And I don't know that they ask. They say, well, those one know the food they have said the way one and take the food themselves. Now let the yanga one when they that one when go when they call and they don't which or backer. Now let that one they disgrace himself. Those people thought that the way Okpaka reduced herself on social media, those people were just waiting for me that I will reduce myself the way the day will reduce himself. When we say if they wash cloth finish, they go throw away the waterproof for the day and wish body. If the day and wish see wash cloth finish, you go see throw away the water for their body. Now, place, me I tell now Benin people, from some for inside because they say Benin people the vessel now me say some for inside. Now, they have Okpaka. Now, no Okpaka. Now, Benin place, now they know Okpaka. Now, they say, they don't wish Okpaka. Now. This disgrace where they don't wish the disgrace itself. If now, say na Isha, as I take the Facebook, they take the disgrace on herself. Say now where Isha people dey now Okpaka dey. Okpaka for don't mellow down now. If you don't mellow down, they go drive on. Make you walk here. Now they know now because of now they know say Okpaka he dey live video. Because now they happen. Now they say they don't wish you don't do this one. They don't wish don't do this one. All of una with they don't wish una be the same. Una be useless people. How can somebody he go insult you tomorrow? He go come back. Una go settle. Another day go insult you. You go come back again. Did you see that you people una dey craze? That now wetin they want make I come follow they do be that. The way they didn't wish do with them. They expect that I will come and take myself so low. But they come they mash me. I told you people several times that I have Benin friends. They don't behave like this. More than 20-something years. We are still friends. They don't consider them. I'll consider Benin like they will call the match on top of them they pass. If not, I will still match on top of them they pass. I forget the character. They were not misbehaving like this. Now that one is like, okay. Now they don't wish now better pass you. Why they pretend? If they don't wish now they pretend. Say, oh my God, what the fuck? I'm not the same mother. Maybe they don't we are not from the same parents. You don't expect me because I'm from Ishan. Then she said that she's coming from Ishan. I don't know where she's coming from. Because you see her dirty attitude. You want me to behave like that? When you know that we are not from the same parents, not the same mother. We are not related in blood. Then, now what you be now they expect be that. As I call the disgrace her. Then I call the disgrace me Jonah. Now I not see for where I dey. Now they piss now up. It's a disgrace to a day now winch. Today say you don't disgrace yourself. You don't not be say you felt good before. You not felt good. Even the little respect when when it come Facebook that time, some Ishan people feel say this woman, because when you see an Ishan woman like that, when it be like that for Ishan land, we they respect them. People thought that she's one of them. They never knew that this one is the most stupid one on this earth. I wish that the then which is a very responsible Ishan woman. It will take years with you people on social media. You don't take years, you will just stay on your own. There is another Ishan woman based in Germany. It's based in Germany. One of my sisters always send this thing for me, a video. That my sister tell me, say, me I dey follow. I tell her, say, I don't want to follow any Ishan person. He say, why not? I say, no, I don't need them. I don't need them. I say, no, I say, you know why? I say, I don't want to follow. I say, no, I know why you say you know why. He say, they not be the same. I can say, yes, they not be the same. I don't want to go there. I say, if I go that woman platform now, these Benin people go follow me, go there, they'll go, they insult the woman. Yes! People hide their self because of you people. A neko niva. That's what I tell my friend. That my friend, now Nigeria, now will for no. He did Germany. They always share that Ishan, that Ishan lady. They always share a picture of they give me. The day when they go see say I comment for that Ishan this thing, they'll go to insult her. This Ishan woman. She has to be. She has to be. Why you be like this? Why they talk like this? Why not they talk like this? Before you go know now. That one go come give them but this is finished. Una see, huh? You people see what I just talk now. Now tell my Ishan sister, I say, no, that Ishan woman platform, no, I know they go. You say, well, I tell them, say, I know where I know they go. Now I can now explain to them. I said, the day when I will reach there now, comment for there, these Benin people will go meet that Ishan woman. Because he with the Okpaka don't they disgrace himself with them. That one not satisfied. They find people when they go to draw. They find Ishan people when they go to draw. When they go to draw. The one when they spell, they don't say that woman head not they house. And they don't go that woman platform, They enter house. No be all those Benin people. Now person tell na say me na leave that woman. Why una not go? Why una not go there again? As una read there, una think say una dey craze. Una don't know say some people dey they craze pass una. Then you not go see am for them. Then una be dog when they eat shit, they will come meet on top of shit. We be like you no who ni. Not really Spain no matter Wigbo. Why when you want to but you say John no who ni, but that woman no correct on you. Una not run leave that woman. Now go there. Believe with it shall not be the same. It shall be Benin not be the same. Believe with it shall not be the same. Now they give una water with the bad word when they come on for. And now they find trouble pass. And now not get bad word for mouth. And when una reach where that woman, the woman, you go vomit it this way. Now so they vomit am for now. Una run. Who tell me una run? Una for stay now. Useless people. What's your monkey face? When monkey face start to this guan not be una go there. Why don't they go there again? Monkey face cause they vomit rubbish. Cause they vomit. Why not stay there? When I run come on for there, now all the people can't stay there now with monkey face. When I run, now cause una for there now because una be useless people. Anywhere when una see say that they don't say Bini, una why wa variable. They say Bini, una don't go there. Una not even get protection at all to protect that name. Yeah, go there, don't go there. Don't visit only they know how to crazy. I don't know say people there they crazy past there. I don't know that people they are mad. And those are those people. When it comes to saga, they don't know how to saga. When it comes to bad word, they don't get bad word for man. When it comes to curse, they don't get curse for man. When you go to another city, the kind juju when they carry come out, powerful one. If they throw you yourself go to say the juju go kill you nana. Only way to now get a good they kill you, a good they kill you. Oh good now, na national that one say You never reach where good they kill you. That was a I don't reach where good they kill you. I don't they found good. I don't see Ogun. Now also now Ogun not the fit kill rat. That only this thing. Go talk to Igbo man. Go say now Amajoha they kill you. Chainely Amajoha. You know see huh? A good they kill you. A good they kill you. You want me to kill your picky? A good they kill your picky, kill your papa, kill your mama, kill your this thing. Now let that one they know nothing. Now God say una say, I not be pure racist. Every me I look at Facebook, una not go reach my platform again. My platform, nobody go there again. Okay, just see. Even this 25 where they watch me, nobody go they watch me again. Even my own people self, they go they vex for me because I get useless man. Me I want a fear, you go take him for a jail. Just say, I don't know how body ware luemi, person will come offend people when not supposed to offend because iku ologo amuwa ore egbok mo no wa ko if erosion carry una they put una for branches you know say erosion will carry you na carry una they come brrr, before you know one road go dey road when go drag una for erosion hand waki go no rara see where erosion re another one go dey come you go the stick when they there you go hold on like a nylon bag. You can't drag it say, you can't take one. And this is not them mad, useless people, irrelevant people. Now they call local pass. Those ones that is insulting, they are very local. If you see some for roads, still go they smell follow them. Still, but they smell follow them. Tell them make they wear jeans. They so who wear wire. You go see they don't stay for Europe for so many years. Tell them make they dress like. When they use English, they dress. They make maku for inside. Now then they say kokobiri. Iya me maku. That's why they just see you. They go carry the juice, they put them for belly. Ye mina ya fian one boy. So they come they waka like who all new finish by the young. I say, what's here now? See be this one. Nyama people. Iya background say, I fear nonsense people. They mad. Now they say kokobiri every day kokobiri na one iron kokobiri. Oyibo na kokobiri, Nigeria na kokobiri, Igbo na kokobiri, Hausa na kokobiri, Isha na kokobiri, Benin na kokobiri, Zimbabwe na kokobiri, Ghana na kokobiri, Chinese na kokobiri, Morocco na kokobiri, Syria na kokobiri, everybody na kokobiri. Then why the kokobiri issue? Since everybody na kokobiri, why the kokobiri issue no gree comot for ground? Yes, if everybody when you tete mention say there be kokobiri, why the kokobiri no come still comot for ground? Why can't be say the rest una sisters when they born for kokobiri, why una call they make them they shame? So they shame, so don't already get children from these people, these black people. When they come from Africa country, una sister don't already born for them with their children. If una come to talk about kokobiri now, they come to look their children. And this one here now kokobiri I born this speaking for this one where they come to say kokobiri. You make people to go back to their pain. Most of them when they go kokobiri place, maybe they don't follow Benin, follow Benin no work for them. Now they see kokobiri when he love them, when he cherish them. They decide to stay with the kokobiri. But now they mock them kokobiri. Everything when you tete talk, if say na truth, na you tete talk, they say that there is truth in that matter. Then why this kokobiri una when be Benin, una they use am? They laugh una sisters when born for kokobiri, when marry kokobiri. Germany man na kokobiri, Holland man na kokobiri, Italy man na kokobiri, Igbo man na kokobiri, Hausa man na kokobiri, Isha man na kokobiri, Agbo man na kokobiri. You know see Auchi man na kokobiri, Yoruba man na kokobiri. Who again? Agbo na kokobiri, Ishakiri na kokobiri, Ijo people na kokobiri. Now only Benin, I no be Kokobiri. You know, that means what vacation that you like be serious. I want to let tell. You don't know what you now want to. I'm gonna enter house. Or I want to talk of Kokobiri. Una first friend Kokobiri. You can date anybody you want to date. If you feel like to marry that person, you marry. Na Ghana, na Senegal, na anywhere for the combo, you can marry. If you don't feel marry, other people go marry. Like me now, no be say this thing. If Ghana man say you want marry me, I know they marry. Yes. If Ghana man say you want marry me, I know they marry. If Zimbabwe man say you want marry me, I know they marry. If Cameroon man say you want marry me, I know they marry. But if they say make I friend them, I feel friend them. But when you go resort to marry, I know they marry. No be say I don't like them. Maybe some people say you don't like them to marry. Why you like to friend? You can friend. It doesn't mean that when you friend somebody, you can marry that person. Not be all those relationships when you do. Not be the end with marriage. Why I don't want marry? Why I not go marry? Now something. That man fit dey your life. That Kokobiri one they talk. If it dey your life, not just to marry, not be that they talk. Go and see if you go know the man parents. For Nigeria now, woman not fit born for Benin woman not fit born for Ishan man. Even if say with Ishan man no dey. If he carry the children go the Ishan man parents and say now the children when I born for your pikin be this so. Go no, make go show the children say now here now your papa for the come. That is what the woman want to do. Not be say you want to leave the children for there. Not be say you want to leave the children for there. That is only different thing between all those black foreigner with Nigeria people. When they talk now Nigeria they talk more. Now Nigeria. Yes, they'll say no, I don't fit go marry. You see why they don't fit go marry. You don't mean say they don't be human beings. They are human beings. They are like us. Just because of the place they are coming from, they are not Nigeria. Even in Nigeria, yes, sir. Some tribe, they say they don't feel married. You see Igbo, now Igbo go say, you get Igbo, some Igbo side. Don't they like to marry foreigner? Yes. Don't they like to marry foreigner? Then what are we not saying? Even Benin and Nishan said, they know they tell it before. No. You want to go marry son or son laha? Now Benin person, now you want to go marry? Discrimination there everywhere. Not be Kokobiri, not be body for start. And Kokobiri matter don't dey Facebook before Rita come. Yes. Kokobiri matter dey Facebook before Rita come. Now no good. Now they talk. Why man walk back man say? Now they talk. I will say some of you now even see Kokobiri born for the first time. But I'm not go born for 4 men. I'm not sure. I'm not go born for 4 men. I will say now see Kokobiri guy born for the first time. I'm not born for 4 men. Kokobiri one at the talk. Kokobiri man no fit leave you for house. He go outside, go sleep. But all those una people, I don't know how I want to call now. When I feel leave woman for her, leave children for her, go outside, go carry back, go stay with woman for outside. They find women when want give una money. If Kokobiri one they talk, I will say Kokobiri say that they do shentro. Kokobiri for use many of una they do shentro. When I will tell you they do juju, now do juju rich, when I do juju rich Zimbabwe. When I do juju rich, when I do juju rich like this thing, Ghana. When I do juju rich, when I do juju rich like Senegal. You see those people that I just mentioned. Now they get voodoo when you talk of voodoo. Now they get voodoo. When I thought I say, now the thing my mama do for me, now they hula. Now they used to do all now. You don't know? Nonsense. Now come they make noise. That they talk. They talk out of point. Everybody they run for now. I beg you. Or one can go back. Even una sisters, if una sister want follow una talk, you go give chance. Oh, gbagbe. Oh, igbagbe. Una own blood sister. Iya igbagbe. Useless people. Very useless. Nonsense. I'm your tata. If I don't see what if I don't see live video do, make una dey wash house, go iron your clothes. Make una dey cook. If una see another live video, una dey analyze one. No. All the time, one talk, Kokobiri. I will wear Kokobiri, Rita will just run, come and the can't go. You go come the analyzer. My sister, I don't do not they analyze all those things again. No, they make sense. They don't make sense. I ain't making sense. I don't even know the follower when they follow when they follow you. They're supposed to they take you out of that this thing. They're supposed to take you out. Like the time I talked to you last year. Most of them come they insult me for my platform. At the end of the day, most of them call me for messenger. They say, Mama Lovely, I did it at platform that year. They insult you no verse. I say, what's my business? Do you think I care? He say, that's when they thought that I say no be lie. I say na truth. For if the time when Mama will fair come, say na truth. I say, really? But now they clap and put. They will clap and for your work finish. They will go behind the door. They go, they talk. That is why I don't like their friendship. I'm like, yeah. I don't need it. If I do video, call me for video if you want call. When I come out for video, don't call me, I don't want it. Only where if you call me, only wait till I go, hey, Mama, when you go cook, I bet come. If not that one you call me put, I go here. But all those nonsense, I know they hear. We could not enter house. Kokobiri don't do. All of them when they France, now na come to say na Kokobiri now na take hustle. Now na take hustle. But person marry and na am I me jare yo. Na this one come na so Kokobiri be. Na so Kokobiri penis. You know carry Kokobiri, I tell no say penis big. Now the Kokobiri their penis come just big. Why they tell a young way? I win kia wa mu why win kia wu he. These people, if these people cannot talk on all that thing. There is a kia where you just talk is for fun, it's not real. You are just saying it's for fun. People will not say yes, it's for fun. Some people just talk na real. It cannot be a kankan. It cannot be a ye bata. Aren't you guys ashamed of yourself? You're not even supposed to come. They talk to people. Say they say that they talk to people. On one way condemn me. I don't condemn. I don't way condemn. Then they use and they put on for iron. Condemn iron. They put on for this. They go metal. Rubbish. Nonsense. My people, good night.